Good evening, class. Tonight we're going to be doing rates as comparisons. Get out your notes. First thing we're going to do is think of a time when you had to compare two things in order to make a decision. What helped you make that decision? I don't know. It could be anything. What you wanted for dinner. How did you figure out what to compare? Give me just a quick jot. What were the two things you were comparing, and how did you decide? Okay, pricing. The unit rate can help us determine a better value for our money. A 12-pack of Orange Crush is priced at $3. A 6-pack is priced at $1.75. Which is the better value? Now, these are usually done in the store for you. This little box tells you how much it is per ounce. But we're going to figure this out. So, we're going to figure out that a 12-pack of Orange Crush is $3. So, it's $3 per 12 cans. Okay? No, I wrote that backwards. Undo. No, I was right. $3 per 12 cans. I want cans on bottom. I want to know how much is one can. Okay, so I'm going to put my $3 here and I'm going to divide it by 12. Remember, numerator in, denominator out. So 12 goes into 30 two times. That's 24. And we subtract and bring down. And 12 goes into 60. And I find out that one can from a 12-pack is 25 cents per can. This is the unit rate for the Orange Crush. Now, the 6-pack is $1.75 per 6 cans. I need to do the exact same thing. I need to find out one can. So I'm going to do $1.75 divided by 6. Remember, numerator in, denominator out. 6 goes into 17 two times. That's 12. 6 goes into 55 9 times. That's 54. And then I could keep going, bring down to 0. It goes 1. But we're going to stop at 29 cents because we do things in rounded dollars. So it's going to be about 29 cents per can. So which one is less expensive? Well, I hope you all went the 12-pack. The 12-pack is 25 cents a can. So 25 cents per can, not ounce, would give us the price for the 12-pack. So it is cheaper. Let's try the same thing with Folgers coffee. It's $12.88 for 80 cups. So I have $12.88. Remember, you're always using your words per 80 cups. And then Seattle's Best is $9 for 50 cups. Which is the better brand? So you are going to divide $12.88 by 80 and $9 by 50. 80 goes into 128 one time. That gives me 488. 80 goes into 48 6 times. And that's 480 with a remainder of 8, 1. So I get 16.1 cents. And then if I do this one over here, 50 goes into 90 one time. And 50 goes into 40. Sorry, bring down my 0. 400 8 times. And so that's no remainder. I have 18 cents. I have 16.1 cents. So the cheaper coffee is the Folgers coffee. Personally, though, you're buying Seattle's Best because it's a better cup of coffee. I'm paying 2 extra cents for the better taste. Okay, by finding unit rate, we can compare the speed of objects. Now, this is where math and science cross. You guys probably will be doing the distance formula really soon in math, and in science, and we're going to be working on it in math too, so it kind of overlaps. Hunter jogs 4 miles in 30 minutes. 4 miles in 30 minutes. Oops, minutes. I can spell. Ryan jogs 7 miles in 48 minutes. Who jogs faster? Well, I need to figure out how many miles they jog in 1 minute, right? That's always what we're going to. Unit rate is per one. Our answer always has to be per one. So I'm going to use that bat and ball method. I'm going to multiply across, and then I'm going to divide. So I have 4 divided by 30. I'm going to have to add a decimal point and some zeros to make this work. 30 goes into 40 one time. That gives me 100. 30 goes in there. 13. That's a 90. Oh, we're going to have a repeating 3. So he goes 1/1300th of a mile with a repeating 3 per 1 minute. We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to multiply across and then divide. 7 times 1 is 7 divided by 48. So I have 7 divided by 48. 48 goes into 70 one time. And we bring down the 0. 48 goes into 220. Ooh, 5 times. Yes, 5 times. So he runs 1/1500 of a mile. Who jogs faster? Now, if you said Hunter, I have a little question for you. Who's running faster? Somebody who ran 1/1300 of a mile or somebody who ran 1/1500 of a mile? Be careful, because when you're running, it's how far you're going. So Ryan runs faster or jogs faster because he ran further. Yeah, I can't write today, guys. Further than Hunter. So be careful. This is a trick question they like to do. They do it with swimming. They do it with running. And you have to figure out who's the fastest and knowing like the sport. So be careful of that. Because most sports, like they just have different ways of looking at it. Okay. Use your understanding of rate to answer the following 2 questions. The Olympic record for men's 100 freestyle is 47 seconds. The Olympic for women's 50 freestyle is 24 seconds. What is the rate of its speed? Which record is the fastest? So I have my 100 meter I'm going to do first. And I have 100 meters is in 47 seconds. And I want to know how far that is in 1 second. And then I have my 50 meter. And that was 50 meters in 24 seconds. And I want to know how far that is in 1 second. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to do 100 divided by 47. And they are going to go 2 meters. That is 94. Bring down, this is a 1. 47, 13. 3. So the men's record is 2.13 meters per second. The women's record, we're going to do 50 divided by 24. Also, 24 goes in here 2 times. So we're starting out pretty close. 24 does not go into 20. So I have 0. Bring down another 0. And it goes in 8 times. And so this is 2.08 meters per second. So who went faster, farther? So the men's record is slightly faster. They go 0.05 of a meter per second faster. Okay, number 5. Anna can type 123 words in 5 minutes. Wow, that looks like an S. 5 minutes. Caroline can type 220 words. Oh, sorry. Wow. Look at me. Eraser. This is 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Caroline can type in 5 minutes. Who can type the fastest? Set it up the same way. 123 divided by 3. 3 goes into 2 4 times. Even. She types 41 words per 1 minute. Caroline is 220 per 5. So she goes 5. This is a 4, 20, 2, 0, 4. She types 44 words per 1 minute. Who was faster? I hope everyone is like, hey, Caroline's faster. She is. Caroline types 3 words per minute faster than Anna. Okay, you are going to finish up other comparisons. There are 2 questions. I need a 2 to 3 sentence summary. Guys, I'm going to start giving grades just for the summary if I don't see everyone completing it. It's very important that you learn how to write about math. Okay? Talk about unit rate, what it means. It means per 1. Give me a little bit of an example. How do I know what I'm dividing? Things like that. Okay? Finish 6 and 7, and I will see you guys in class tomorrow. Have a good evening.